All right, I'm going to work out the pants class. Given the pants class I started for you above, do the following. So here's public. Actually, it's just going to say class pants. We need two constructors. A default constructor should set the size to 10 and the color to blue. That's easy. Public pants. So there's nothing in here. That's a default constructor. It's a constructor usually, with nothing in it. And it's going to set size equals 10, color equals blue. Okay. The second constructor should take two parameters, S, an int representing size, and C, a string representing color. So, public. Remember, constructors always have the exact same name as the class. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set the size to S. But then there's some parameters here. It says size must be an even number between 2 and 20. If a number outside the range is submitted, the size should be set to 20. If an odd number is submitted, the size should be set to the next largest acceptable size. So I'm just starting by setting it to the one that got sent over. It doesn't say anything about colors here, though, so I can go ahead and set the color. See? And now I'm going to say if S greater than 20, size equals 20. That takes care of part of it. Else, if it's an odd number, so if the size divided by 2 leaves you a remainder of 1, then I'm going to set it to the next higher number. And I'm going to go ahead and just do that on the variable. That's the next largest acceptable size. So pretty sure that'll be okay, because if it's greater than 20, I'm setting it to 20, and it's an even number. And let's say it was 19, then we'd set it to 20 by adding 1. And if it was 17 or anything smaller, yeah. Yeah, I think that'll do it. And then write a toString, which prints returns pants information like this: color, blue, size 20. Okay, so let's do this. Public string toString return, and let's see, what's it look like? I'm just going to copy it, paste it here on a comment so I don't have to keep scrolling. We have the word color with a colon and a space, and then I have the color plus comma space size colon space size. Okay, that's good. Write code up in the main method to create and print 2 different pairs of pants. That's up here. Pants p1 equals new pants. I'm going to do a default constructor. System.out.println p1. See if it works. I have an error in here. Let's see. The word class is missing here. It won't be missing on your version, so I will fix it. All right, color blue, size 10. All right, and now I'm going to make a more interesting pair of pants. And remember, it accepts the size first. I'm going to waste 34, but the color is polka dotted. I'm not sure that's how you spell it, but that's how I'm going to spell it right now. We'll see how it goes. Color polka dotted, size 20. Ooh, the size was too big. I should test my, I'm going to go 19 and then we should get 20. And I guess when I said 34, it wasn't at 30, whatever. It's not doing waist, whatever. Whatever this size means, it doesn't mean anything. I'm going to do 7 and we're going to watch it turn to 8. Yep. Yeah. So you know what? When you're typing your things out, you should do at least one that's the default constructor. And you should do one that uses an odd number. And in fact, let's do a third one that does a number bigger than 20. So I'm going to change the instructions to tell you that. 27. Zebra striped is the third pair of pants. And they're bigger, but they're going to be set to 20. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. That's what I asked you to do.